Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yup, I'm in another armored one. I just love these things. They're so much fun. But hey, they have two of them here. I gotta shoot them both because they're just really cool vehicles. You don't get to see these every single day, and I figured I'd share it with you guys because I get a kick out of them, and I hope you do too. But like I always ask, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. These vehicles are at sascars.com, which is Superior Auto Sales. They always let me have free run of the place. They let me record all their vehicles whenever I want, and I am very grateful for that. So I figured, hey, why not this one too? But if you like a vehicle here that you see, look them up online. And, you know, if you find a vehicle on their website, give them a phone call. If you're looking for a certain vehicle, they can track one down for you. Also, they ship from the U.S. into Canada, or they can ship it anywhere in the United States you want it to go. So if you're in Canada and you want to buy something from the States, you can do that either or. Or if you live in another country, you know what? You can buy anything you want from them. So look them up, sascars.com. But I figured I'd show you guys this one because it is just really cool. And this one's outside, so yes, you're going to hear some noise. And it's a little bit more lit up in here because when I filmed the other one, it was inside, it was kind of dark, and it's kind of hard to see because of all the plating that they have on here. So I figured I'd give you guys a walk around in this one, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. But yeah, this one is the Lincoln Navigator 2021. Let me start this thing. Oh, the seat moves. And the whole big, if you can see that, huge navigation screen on it. I mean, it's got all these bells and whistles in it. Good Lord. Wood trim. Oop, hold on. Okay. That is really deep. But this one is heavily armored just like the other one. Bulletproof windows, bulletproof doors, bulletproof and bomb-proof floors. That is, I mean, yeah, this is a solid truck. Oh man, I mean, this one is the exact same way. The window will probably only go down partial. That's it. I mean, this is, yeah, I mean, that's probably 2 inches thick. You can hear that. They don't go down all the way for safety's sake, because whoever is buying these vehicles, they want to make sure they are going to be secure in it. So somebody decides to come at you, you're gonna live. So I figured I'd give you a walk around in this one. I mean, there's more buttons on this thing than I know what to do with. I mean, there are buttons for everything. Jeez. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut it off. The seat pulls you back, which is kind of cool. Oh, these doors are so heavy. I mean, these things feel like they weigh like 150 pounds. I mean, it's like I feel like I'm trying to move the whole truck. They're that heavy. These actually feel heavier than that Cadillac Escalade. I'm just trying to show you guys a little bit here. It's not gonna let me leave that open. But this one is the same way as the other one, I think. If it will let me. Oh yeah. Now this is cool. This is the whole armored plating. You can hear it. That gives you an idea of how thick that window is. This is a separate armored door, which is bulletproof. You're not going to shoot through this that easily. Oh no. They want to make sure whoever the occupants are going to be in this vehicle, they are safe, secure, and nothing's going to happen to them. But you still have all the luxury creature comforts of an SUV, a high-end SUV. I mean, even the windows here. Let me, hold on. You can hear that. I mean, it does hurt. That hurts your hand just knocking on it. Ooh. But man, I mean, a separate door. I mean, armored plating right here that it latches onto. It's all mounted in, I'm sure, with some big, huge screws and bolts and everything else. But yeah, I mean, that is cool. That is really, really impressive. I'm gonna shut this. Let it shut all on its own, because I'm not trying to shut it. But yeah, this is, I'm sure those tires are some kind of bulletproof or something. I have no idea. But man, the two-tone leather interior in this truck is really nice. This door is so heavy, it's pushing me. Like, I'm trying to hold the door open with my body and it just keeps shoving me into the truck. Like I said, now, the panoramic sunroof on it, it looks like it's closed off for a reason, for protection. So I'm sure there's probably some plating up there that you're not gonna, you know, be able to shoot through or anything like that. I'm sure all these sections through here on the inside all have some kind of plating. So all four sides of this vehicle are gonna be protected, and the floor and your ceiling. So this way, you know, you come home in one piece. Yeah, I mean, even here's the armored plating too on the sides. So yeah, this is really, really cool. Man, this truck is gorgeous also. The company that builds these, I have no idea. So, I really don't know. Nothing special in the glove box. You know, I thought they might have some cool hidden compartments in it, but if they are hidden and they're in here, I would never know it because I wouldn't know what to look for. But yeah, this is a really, really cool truck. I mean, this windshield is, ow, God, same way, so thick, don't knock on it, it will hurt. But man, you gotta be careful with the doors because they weigh a ton. I mean, but it still has all your regular lights and all that. But just I get a kick out of that back door, that extra back door for extra layer of protection. But you won't be, I don't know if it has anything special in here. You know, through here I'm sure it probably does. I'm just gonna walk around this truck too. Yeah, this is another one, black on, almost black on black, but it does have a two-tone interior. This truck is absolutely gorgeous as well. And this one has some kind of lights in the grill, like some kind of strobe lights for what, I don't know what this vehicle is going to be used for. I don't know if it's going to be carrying somebody important, I don't know. But I think somebody ordered it that way for a particular reason. And I'm also sure they have it where, oh yeah, you can see like these fins in there, but if you go straight on, you can't get to the grill or, you know, for the AC, can't get to any of that. So yeah, this is another cool one. And this is a big truck. This one had that exact same sticker on it. Caution. Okay, this door does not close with the windows partially open. The weight of the glass may cause it to break, which means it's not going to break the window. It'll probably break what's holding it up. So maybe we have to have the window all the way up before you open and shut that door. But yeah, this is beautiful. I don't know which one I like more, this Lincoln or that Cadillac. But they are just really, really impressive trucks. But on the roof, I don't know. I can't really get up there to look. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see anything. I can't. But yeah, this is a really, really cool truck. Yeah, you're gonna hear the traffic noise because I am outside. I wanted to film this one because being outside, you know, you could see more of it in the daylight. The other one being inside, you really couldn't. So, but it is what it is. But they allow me to play with these trucks, so I really can't complain. But yeah, I'm going to end this one here. It is really cool to see these trucks. I have a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. But if you like my videos, you know the schmeal. I'll see you guys on the next one.